The Wonder Rollator Junior 1234 is renowned for its exceptional compactness, folding down to a fraction of the size of typical rollators, making it incredibly convenient for travel and storage. This rollator features a practical perch seat that provides a comfortable resting spot, supporting up to 250 pounds without compromising on portability. With no assembly required, the Wonder Rollator comes ready to use, and its adjustable padded handles ensure a comfortable fit for various user heights. Weighing only 14.5 pounds, this rollator is exceptionally travel-friendly, offering stability with its 6-inch wheels and secure rear-locking brakes. Its narrow and stylish design allows for easy navigation in tight spaces, and the choice of colors enables users to select a rollator that matches their personal style. The Wonder Rollator Junior 1234 combines functionality with aesthetics, providing a sleek alternative to traditional mobility aids without sacrificing performance.